Welcome to our channel and thank you for your interest. If you're following an ultra-low-carb keto diet or zero-carb carnivore diet, then you may occasionally experience cravings for traditional starchy white rice. Unfortunately, a cup of traditional steamed white rice contains a whopping 45 grams of total carbs. This pretty much makes it off limits to those of us on a keto or carnivore diet. But your cravings for white rice are about to come to an end, because this video is the third in a series of easy keto-friendly recipes for white rice alternatives. I'll leave links to the first two keto rice videos in the description below. And make sure you watch this to the end when I'll compare all three recipes and offer you my top choice. All that, coming right up. The main ingredient for this keto rice recipe is hearts of palm, cut to the size and shape of individual rice grains. A single serving consists of 1/2 cup, which contains 4 grams of total carbs and 2 grams of fiber. This corresponds to just 2 grams of net carbs. The total cooking time is 4 minutes, consisting of gently mixing for 2 minutes over medium heat, followed by 2 more minutes over medium heat while melting and mixing 2 tablespoons of butter into the hearts of palm. If you're finding this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. Also, to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Now, let's get cooking. We start by adding the hearts of palm pieces into a medium pan over medium heat. Here, I set the temperature at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which translates to 160 degrees Celsius. Gently stir for 2 minutes to evenly distribute the heat. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of butter to the hearts of palm over medium heat and gently stir for another 2 minutes until the butter becomes fully melted and evenly distributed. And there you have it. A keto-friendly rice alternative made from hearts of palm. I topped mine off with shichimi togarashi, which is a Japanese spice blend by Nadiera, Nature and Earth. As mentioned earlier, this is just one of 3 low-carb and zero-carb alternatives to traditional starchy rice. So, how do the 3 recipes compare in terms of taste, texture, and overall likeness to traditional rice? The hearts of palm rice had a neutral taste with a hint of buttery flavor from the added butter. Its texture was noticeably more firm than traditional rice, and its overall likeness to traditional rice was moderate. The konjac rice also had a neutral flavor. Its texture was rubbery compared to traditional rice, which is mushier. Its overall likeness to traditional rice was moderate. The zero-carb rice made from egg whites was also neutral in flavor with a hint of grains from the golden flaxseed meal. Its texture was mushier than the previous 2 rice alternatives, and its overall likeness to real rice came the closest. So, my top pick is egg white rice, followed by hearts of palm rice, with an honorable mention for konjac rice. Let me know in the comments section your favorite keto-friendly rice alternative and why. Thanks for watching.